Hey guys, I'm in Rome right now and I'm sitting here with the aircon on because it's hot. If you've ever been in Rome around between June and August, it's insane. It's 30 plus degrees right now. A lot of you guys don't know, or many people who travel to Rome do not know that just 30 minutes away, there are a few water bodies. There are lakes, which we'll check out some other time. And today we're gonna go to a beach nearby. There are a few beaches, but today I'm taking you guys to Ostia. Ostia gets a lot of heat, no pun intended, for not being so great, but trust me, it's the jam. So if you guys wanna join with me, let's get ready to rumble. Let's go. So there's several ways to get to Ostia. The most popular ways are via the train and car transportation. I'll be taking the car because for me it's more comfortable, but actually the train is quite convenient because, to be honest, it's also very cheap. It's €1.50. You could take it from Piramide, which I'll be showing you right now. You could also use the train ticket, the metro ticket. It works just the same. So yeah, without no further ado, let's head there and I'll show you where to take it. To arrive at because it's quite close to the beach. So essentially, once you get out the train station, it's a straight shoot to the beach. Just walk straight. You'll notice there are two types of beaches. Like there's the stabilimenti, which is the regular beach where you go into an establishment and basically you have to pay for a bed or for like an umbrella. Or you could go to the free beach, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to the free beach because, you know, it's better, actually, in my opinion. Hey, so that was like the beaches right off the train station. But now we're gonna show you how to get to the gates. The gates are more interesting because each gate, I think there are about 11 gates. Each gate has a theme, and like there's the nudist section, there's the rainbow section, there's all types of sections. It's amazing. If you want to go to the gates of heaven, all you gotta do is take a bus from here, like the main road, and go all the way to the gates. I'll put the name of the bus, the number right here, and yeah, see you over there. We're about to go over there. The bus to get to the beach is U07. It's quite a short ride. I would say within 15 minutes you could get to the start of the gates, and the gates are not far apart, so you should be able to get to whichever gate you want to within no time. All right, guys, it looks like we found the perfect place to sit. So I'm gonna sit here, relax, get in the water, cool down, and enjoy the rest of my afternoon.